Welcome back, and today we have this M-Tech blade. You can see how patriotic it is with the stars and stripe. Open construction with standoffs here, and it is a tip down carry, right side only. So it's a flipper. Here's the tab. Thunk. It is spring assisted. So the full length is 8 3/4 inches. The handle is 5 inches. The blade cutting edge is not quite 4 inches, 3.75. This is, as you can see, We the People Constitution there, part of it, a little bit. And the grind, you can see it's almost like a spear point. This is all etched into the blade. It's a hollow grind. Comes pretty sharp out the box. Has like these. It looks like a custom pivot screw, but it's just a Allen or a Torx screw head in there. It was designed by Dean Hogarth. Ergonomics is outstanding on this blade. And it has pretty good grip. The jimping here, where the notches, pretty ineffective, more for aesthetic looks. But the handle here, it's let's see, it's machined to where the white stripes, or in this case like the silver stripes, is raised, and the red stripes is stepped down, so it has like a where you can get a pretty decent grip with your hands. And same with the stars here. The stars are raised, and then the blue is again stepped down. Pretty decent anodization. The thickness of the blade is 3 millimeters. As you can see, double thumb studs here. Frame lock. Has a lanyard hole if you want to run some paracord or put on a lanyard bead. For the price, it's really tough to beat for the price on this. It is made in China. The only flaw that I could see is the grind is not symmetrical. Let's see if I can. I don't know if the camera is picking this up, but the grinds are off. But other than that, can't really go wrong really with the price. Even centering is spot on or very close. Again, the ergonomics on this is very good. Ice pick grip, and they even got the pocket clip right. How this little tab where it slides underneath, where it slides over your jean pocket, they flatten this piece so when you have it in your hand, and if you're doing some tight, or if you're doing some hard cutting task like rope or a lot of cardboard, you don't have this tip or this end piece of the pocket clip jabbing into your palm. Stone wash finish on the frame side, and it's stone wash on the grind, and then the flat is like a, I want to say satin, but it's, I guess you could call it a satin finish with like this heavy stone wash on the blade. Let's get a little. See, I got an envelope here. We can. I know how much you all like to. Pretty sharp. Stainless steel blade, so pretty impervious, or not impervious, but strong resistance to corrosion, but it will rust. Throw it in salt water for a while, it will. See, weighs 4 ounces. It feels heavier, but I did weigh it, and it does come out to the anodizing on the presentation shot, on the presentation side is nice. It's got nice vibrant colors. Again, there's the 3 standoffs. Open construction, easy to clean, just blow some air through there, or like get a rag. And there you have it, the M-Tech. M-Tech USA, made in China. But not a bad blade for, like I say, for the cost. So if you're on a budget, you might want to look at one of these blades. The M-Tech USA blade. And until next time, have a great day.